Let's talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to explore a very important aspect of English grammar, countable and uncountable nouns. If you've ever found yourself wondering whether you should use few, or less, or many, or much, this video will help clarify things for you. First things first, let's remind ourselves what nouns are. Nouns are words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. They're one of the fundamental building blocks of sentences. For instance, in the sentence, John loves pizza, John and pizza are both nouns. Now, let's dive into our main topic, countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns in English can be classified as either countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are objects that we can count. For example, books, apples, or dogs. You can have 1, 2, 3, or more books. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, cannot be counted. They often refer to things that we perceive as a whole or in bulk. Examples include water, music, or information. We can't say, I have 3 musics, for example. Using countable and uncountable nouns correctly can impact the structure of your sentences. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. They can use the indefinite articles, a or n, if they're singular. For example, I have an apple, or I have apples. Uncountable nouns are typically treated as singular and can't use a or n. For example, I have water, not I have a water. But we can specify the quantity using expressions like some, a lot of, or a little. For example, I have a lot of water. The best way to master countable and uncountable nouns is through practice. Here are some exercises for you to try. Identify whether the noun in each sentence is countable or uncountable. 1. There is a beautiful bird in the garden. 2. I need some advice on this project. 3. She has an incredible collection of coins. 4. He doesn't have enough money to buy a new car. 5. We are running out of time to finish the assignment. That's a wrap on countable and uncountable nouns. This knowledge will help you form grammatically correct sentences and better express your ideas in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to try out the exercises we provided. Thanks for joining us today, and keep up your English language journey.